Hello, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy crypto in your Trust Wallet. First of all, you're gonna open up the Trust Wallet app. This is the homepage of the Trust Wallet app. So if you wanna buy crypto from the app, you click on buy, the buy button. And here you can see all the crypto coins available to buy. In this example, we want to buy Ethereum. So we click on Ethereum. You fill in the amount you want to buy. For example, you want to buy 10 euros Ethereum. You can pay with credit card, a bank transfer, and Apple Pay. In this example, we're gonna buy Ethereum with a credit card. You click on buy with credit card. You go to Transact, and here you can fill in your credit card information and buy Ethereum. So it's very easy. If you have any further questions about the Trust Wallet app, please let me know down below in the comments. Subscribe, like this video, and have a nice day.